Hello everyone! I hope you all are doing really great, staying inside your houses and not going out. Often washing your hands for 20 seconds, right? I know this is a hard time for all of us, but let's just go through it together and stay inside as much as possible. My name is Abjeet Kaur. And this video presentation is about how to dress properly with all your personal protective equipment to work safely. In this presentation, I'm going to talk about all the personal protective equipments and explain their importance to you all. And then my friend Letty is gonna take over to explain their uses to you. Safety goggles, safety shoes, lab coat, earplugs, gloves are the different personal protective equipment that are designed to protect the worker from any accidents or injuries that might happen at workplace. Gloves protect your hands from dangerous chemicals or microbes you're dealing with. Lab coat acts as a barrier to prevent your arms and your body to come into contact with hazardous substance or microbe that you're working with. Safety goggles are must. It protects your eyes from chemicals or viruses to get into your eye. It also protects your eyes from flames you're working with. Always tie long hair into a ponytail or a bun before wearing a safety hat. Open and long hair are more susceptible to accidents. They can easily get in the way of a chemical, a flame, or may catch virus easily. Safety shoes are important for a variety of reasons. They protect you from chemical or glassware to hit your feet. Earplugs protect your ears from loud noises that may destroy the eardrum at the workplace.
Hello people, my name is Letty. I'm going to take over from my friend Avjeet to discuss about the uses of personal protective equipment. Personal protective equipment, if used properly, can reduce the amount of injuries and accidents in the workplace. How to use personal protective equipment, PPE. There are 4 steps on how to use personal protective equipment. Step 1. Conduct a hazard assessment. You need to know the type of work you have to do in order to recognize the personal protective equipment you will use for that work. Step 2. Select the appropriate personal protective equipment. Step 3. You have to be provided with training for the proper use of the personal protective equipment that will be needed for that particular work. And step 4. Reassess hazards and replace old and damaged personal protective equipment. Your equipment needs to be reassessed each time a work is done in order to recognize the errors and damages on your equipment so that they may be replaced. As per statistics, the risk involved with the use of personal protective equipment shows that about 90,000 people are involved in accidents each year, which is a very big amount. Employers need to take the use of personal protective equipment very seriously with immediate effect in order to reduce injuries and even deaths.
Oh, Letty, it's past 5 minutes already.
Oh, then on this note, we are ending this presentation, and we both hope that you learned about personal protective equipment from our presentation.
Be happy, be safe, and isolate yourself. Goodbye.